After a kitchen installation or an oven purchase, you'll undoubtedly be ready for some easy but delicious food in your new oven. As your new oven is a multi-function oven, there are multiple innovative functions to choose from. Here we'll get you started by explaining the basic settings for cooking some favourites: a roast chicken or a frozen pizza in your new AEG Rotary Dial Oven. The dials on this oven are retractable, so push each dial and they will come out. For a frozen pizza, turn the heating functions dial to the specialist pizza function. Then, turn the temperature dial to the setting recommended on the packaging. A good tip is to preheat the oven tray and treat it as a pizza stone. Place the pizza onto the preheated bottom shelf and the pizza function will create a nice crispy bottom and ensure the perfect level of browning. As this setting uses an element in the base of the oven, it's perfect for cooking just one pizza. However, you may find the extra element speeds up the cooking process, so set the timer for a few minutes less than the packaging recommends. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, settings like Surround Cook or True Fan, which are your default cooking settings, allow you to cook evenly on all oven shelves at once. There are lots of ways you can cook a roast chicken in a multifunction oven, including simply using functions like steam or a food probe if your oven has those. However, here we'll show you how to use the default cooking setting Surround Cook. A good tip is to use your roasting pan and trivet to allow the heat to circulate and to collect any juices for gravy. To start cooking, turn the heating function knob to Surround Cook or True Fan, and then set the temperature to 180 degrees. If you have telescopic runners in your oven, it's best to use them to make basting and checking easy. The Surround Cook setting will give you even cooking on all oven shelves without intermingling flavours, making it perfect for cooking a delicious roast dinner. We recommend familiarising yourself with all of the innovative functions available on your new oven in order to ensure you get the most out of it. You'll find information on the functions in your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.